Welcome back to Excel to Tally software. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to import bank entries from Excel to Tally. No matter which bank your statement is from, you can easily import it. Let's get started. First, open the bank statement sheet that you want to import. Next, choose the template according to your data. If your bank statement has separate columns for debit amount and credit amount, use the Bank 1 template. If the DR and CR amounts are in a single column, use the Bank 2 template. We are going to import the sheet where DR and CR are in a single column, so we'll choose the Bank 2 template. First, clear the sheet, then do one-time mapping. You won't need to map again for the same bank next time. Map according to your data. For example, if the date is in column A, type A in the date column. And narration is in columns B and C. And amount in column F, and DR and CR in column E. Just enter those accordingly. Next, to save the mapping, provide a category and subcategory, which you can name for your reference, then click Save Mapping. If you want to edit the mapping later, just click Open Map, where you'll find all mapping. You can make changes and save it again. Next, enter the row numbers from row and to row to indicate the range of your data, like 23 to 63. Enter these numbers and the Import Sheet button will appear. Click on it and select the category you saved in the mapping. Then, you'll see an option to select the sheet. Choose the sheet you want from the list of open Excel sheets. Look, the data is now filled in. The software automatically selects whether it's a payment, receipt, or contra entry. For contra entries, there's a list where you can add specific words. The software will search the narration for these words and automatically select contra. Next, click Export to Tally. After exporting, a bulk suspense clear tool will open, where you can clear all suspense entries in bulk before importing them to Tally. To do this, search party name from the narration, click on the suspense account, and type the party name here. If the party is already in Tally, a list will appear for you to select from. If not, just type the name, and the software will automatically create the ledger. You can also search by amount, like entries less than 100. All 100 amounts below entries will be listed. All up years listed will be Tally ledgers. And you can assign them to bank charges. At the bottom, you can see how much suspense was there, how much has been cleared, and how much is still pending. The best part is, you only need to do this suspense clearing once for each bank. Next time, the software will automatically clear it. This is one of the best features of this software. After exporting to Tally, you'll get a Ledger Missing tool. You can either create new ledgers or match them with Tally ledgers. On the right side, there's the matching option, and on the left, there's the option to create. You can select the group and create new ledgers. Next, click on Create. And that's it. All the bank entries have been imported successfully. Now we will check in Tally. See how easily all the bank entries have been imported. You can import all types of vouchers in the same way. For more information, contact us at 9886799378 or visit our website www.fastinflow.com.